There's a new option that's offering new hope for aging or injured pets.
Yeah, many say this treatment is more effective, less invasive, and could save thousands of dollars in vet bills. Here's Christine D'Antonio.
Hey. It's okay.
For Quincy the dachshund, the prognosis was grim when he came into the office of certified veterinary chiropractor Dr. Astrid Manning.
I remember the owners coming and crying because they were going to put him down.
Come on, go get it.
Unable to move because of a disc in his neck, the family's vet said Quincy would need surgery. But because he was 13 and had a heart murmur, it wasn't worth the risk. So when Quincy's owners found out about an alternative called veterinary orthopedic manipulation and cold laser therapy,
This just sends a beam of photons in.
they decided to give it a try.
I was a little bit skeptical just because with all 4 limbs being paralyzed, I thought, you know, what are the chances this dog's going to walk again?
With non-invasive treatments, Quincy became a best-case scenario.
Within a couple months, he went from not being able to move his limbs at all to walking.
While Quincy's case is extreme, it's not necessarily uncommon. In fact, Dr. Manning says she became motivated to become a chiropractor because of similar issues she had with her own dog.
Here they come. Come on, you guys. He lost all use of his back legs. I popped, they gave me prednisone, and then when that didn't work, they said double your dose, and then, did all this blood work. We did an MRI, and there was nothing.
The Castle Shannon chiropractor started researching and decided to take a CVCP course given by a veterinarian neurosurgeon who promised results.
There it goes. Do you see that?
She met Dr. Brian Huggentugler during her certification. He's a veterinarian at the Golden Mile Animal Clinic who also became a chiropractor.
It's a drug-free, anesthesia-free, relatively, especially to things like spinal surgery and other things, lower cost alternative.
We're talking thousands of dollars lower. Quincy's surgery would have been $4,800 and wasn't even guaranteed to work. Dr. Manning's treatment, just $250.
People come back to you, they come back crying because they're animals, they're babies too. So it's awesome to see the results.
The treatments aren't painful,
Not at all.
are short,
It takes about 7 minutes, depending on what settings we put in. We do 2 to 3 minutes of each setting.
and can be done on animals ranging from pigs to horses for joint and muscle pain, arthritis, and wounds. And in cases where an animal has a terminal disease like cancer, it can help ease their pain.
Instead of, an owner putting them down when they first come in, we're able to extend that, give them not just length, but quality.
Christine D'Antonio, KDKA TV News.